Today I'm going to be replacing my window sills on my 2008 Scion XB. As you can see here, this one's pretty beat up, along with this one. Looks like it has some dry rot. It's not doing its job. This one on the back left and the front left is missing entirely. I can confirm that because recently I put in new speakers and I found a piece of the weather strip all crumbled and it disintegrated when I touched it. So here it rains a lot. If you go on Amazon, you can get rubber or polyurethane. I just chose polyurethane, these OEM ones. I typically buy OEM parts, but as you can see, they didn't last. I'm on my 99 4Runner. They've been on there for 25 years and never had an issue. Just grab a plastic trim tool so you don't scratch the heck out of your paint. And basically there's a clip that you push in, you pull up. It's somewhere in this vicinity where this pillar is. As you can see, there's the little clip right here that you push in and pull up. Now we can kind of remove this. It's gonna get damaged, but that doesn't matter. What I've done here is roll down the window to see if that helps us at all. But now we just gotta continue peeling this out. Mine's very dry rotted, so it's not coming out very easy. And this will just come up. Seems to be helping a lot with that window all the way down. Here on the rear, it feels like there's one more hook. I believe I can see it here. One of them broke off and fell down in the door. It looks like there's one just right here on the very end. Okay, we got that off. As you can see, there's a clip here on the very front. And it looks like there's only 2 clips total, and one here on the rear. Let's go ahead and grab a rag and clean off the surface so we can get a nice flat seal. Try to keep out as much rain as possible. Okay, we got that surface all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and install our new one. Our packaging came with 4. As you can see, this says RR, so I'm assuming that's rear right. Let's see if this lines up. Okay, here's our new piece, and just to confirm, there are only 2 clips. Go ahead and line it up. You'll know how to line it up because it has this notch for your rear glass. And basically, this should set into place. There's a little groove here. And then notice that I kind of pulled on it and it slid that way. So you want to line it up best you can. Push this into place. Just move your way along the seam. That feels nice. Here at the end, push the clip. These ones aren't very snappy, like you don't hear an audible snap. So these don't seem like a perfect fit. I'm sure it'll do better than what we had before, but like even this is popping out just a tiny bit. Maybe it was slightly bent in shipping, but as long as our window goes up and down, it keeps most of the rain out of the speakers in the door, I'm happy. And it looks a little better too versus all that nasty dry rot we pulled. So now we can repeat this to the other side. Okay, here on these front ones, there's just one clip. It's right here. You can see how rotted that is. Just kind of crumbles apart. They're tucked up in here in the mirror. So as you're lifting it out, kind of have to slide it out of this piece here. So for the new one, make sure you grab the right one. There's just a single clip here. It's going to go here on the back. Then this front portion slides up into the mirror first. And pointed it downward so I could get up under there. Then you want to slide it back and forth just a little, either this way or this way. But you want to try to line this up. So right now it looks like it's too far to the left. So I'm just going to push it this way a tiny bit so this lines up with the window. There you go. That's lined up. Push down on the seam. Cool. And that's sealed up. And then if your Scion is a little more ghetto, you know, you could always take some like adhesive that's waterproof or water resistant and maybe put some under there as you're installing this to go for a better seal, but I think this should be okay. It doesn't look or fit perfect, but it looks better, and I bet it'll offer more protection than what we had. If you have the money, go OEM though. These things were $40 or $45, and I'm not too impressed with the quality. As long as they do the job, I should stay happy. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.